Alright, so let's take a look at most missed problem number 10. This one says the following table lists the values of a function f and h and of their derivatives f prime and h prime for x equals 4. It says evaluate the derivative of 2f of x plus 2h of x minus 3 at x equals 4. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take the derivative. So we know with derivatives it follows the same rules as limits. So that constant 2 can come out front, and then we just take the derivative of f, which would become f prime of x, plus 2, and then we're going to have an h prime of x. And we know the derivative of a constant is 0, so that negative 3 goes away. Alright, so this equals our dy dx. Now, they specifically want this at the x value of 4. So we're going to go ahead and drop 4 in there. So I have 2f prime of 4 plus 2h prime of 4. So I go to my table. F prime of 4 is going to be 0. Alright, we get that from right here because we're looking at the column label and the row label. Alright, plus 2h prime of 4, which is going to be 6. So I've got 2 times 0, which is 0, 2 times 6, which is 12. 0 plus 12 gives me 12. Alright, so I know that the derivative of this combined function is going to be 12 when x equals 4. Alright, I hope that helps for most missed problem number 10.